So, cows are nutrient upcyclers. They're not recyclers, they're upcyclers. The other day I made a video called why red meat is so nutrient dense. And I just want to briefly explain what I mean by that now that I'm out in the field with cows. So what ruminant animals like cows have the ability to do is consume a vast quantity of plant material and upcycle those nutrients, deposit nutrients into their body and grow themselves, and then what we're able to do as humans is harvest those nutrients in the upcycled form. So let me give you an example. I'm out here in the pasture and the grass around me and all the plants around me are super low nutrient value, especially because it's this time of year and we're in a bit of a drought here in England, so everything's very dry. But in this meadow I'm in right now, everything's just low value, low sugars, low proteins. Me as a human, I think that's what I am, in this field would not be able to harvest any nutrients whatsoever. You could leave me out here for a year, I'd probably die after about 60 days. I cannot harvest any of the food around me, any of these plants around me, any of the nutrients. Now there are nutrients in plants, yes, but the key thing is what has the ability to actually absorb those nutrients and use them. And the answer is these guys, ruminant animals. They have an absolute superpower. The function of a cow's gut is a miracle, an absolute miracle. I can't even begin to describe how clever it is, really. It's equally clever to our gut, however they have a different system. They can upcycle these nutrients. So all of these grasses, these rushes, these thistles, these horrible fibrous plants around me contain different minerals and contain nutrients, but it's going to take a cow 2 to 3 years to upcycle a vast quantity into just one animal. And then as humans, we're able to upcycle their nutrients as well. That's how I see it. I hope that explains it. Go and check out the other video, why red meat is so nutrient dense. That kind of frames what I'm talking about today, but when I'm out here in the pasture, I wanted to give a real world example. There's one cow that licks me in every video, and it must be this one. Let's remember its number, 815. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you're well. See you next time.